So when questions ask you to solve a problem, they're asking for the solution. So solutions to equations are either going to be one solution, they're going to have no solution, or they're going to have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions is called an identity. So an equation that is true for every possible value of the variable is an identity, which means if you have something that says, 4 equals 4, that's an identity. If you have x equals x, that's true. That's an identity. So when you're solving an equation and you have the same thing on both sides of your equations, once it's simplified, then you know that this is an identity. Problems that have no solutions would be opposite of that. It would say something like 4 equals 5. Well, that's not true. So that has no solution. If it says, you know, once you've solved it, if it says x equals 1 or x equals a number, then that is one solution. That is going to be the solution for a equation. So those are the three types of answers that you can get when you're solving an equation. Now, how to use Desmos. I'm going to look at this problem that you have here. I'm going to put it in here, but I'm not going to use W because W is not on the X or Y axis. So I'm going to use X. And to keep typing the whole thing, instead of W, I'm going to use X. And we were showing you how you can see the answers here. Well, as you can see on here, I can zoom out, I can zoom in. I am not going to find an answer to this. So Desmos is going to tell me that there's no answer, but does it mean that every point is a solution, or does it mean no point is a solution? So whether there is no answer or whether this is an identity where all of the answers are, it won't show you that in Desmos. There won't be a difference. You will actually have to simplify these problems by hand in order to determine whether you have no solution, one solution, or an identity. The only thing that works in Desmos is the ones that you find one solution for.